Hello friends, welcome to Exhort Solutions. Friends, I am going to give you the knowledge of whole AutoCAD software, like how to use it to draw 2D drawings, isometric drawings, 3D objects, etc. in our AutoCAD software tutorial series. So let's get started with it. Hello friends, in this AutoCAD series I will cover all the small and complicated things by which you can learn AutoCAD software without any doubts. So friends, in this first video I will show the quick overview of AutoCAD software and its interference, means how it looks like. Okay, to open the AutoCAD software we have to just double click on the AutoCAD software launcher icon. Just I have clicked, and yes, the software will open within few seconds. After starting the software, this window is appeared, and this window is called as the welcome window of AutoCAD software. Friends, here you can see two things are mentioned. First one is the get started, and second one is the recent documents. Friends, in get started, on clicking start drawing, we can go actually in our workspace in which we are going to do our drawings. Below that, in templates, we can see here are the many templates available. Templates means on the background sheet we are going to draw our drawing. Okay, here AutoCAD.dwt is our by default, and we are going to draw only on it. Okay, below that you can see here is the open files tab. By clicking on open files, we can open any files available in our PC which we want to do edit. Okay, open a sheet. By clicking and open a sheet like templates, we can get a template for background on which we are going to do our drawing. On get more templates online free, you can get more templates from Autodesk website. Okay, explore sample drawings. Here are the some sample drawing by which you can do your editing of drawing. Okay, in another section of recent documents, you will see the previously opened document in our PC. Just here it is showing the last opened Friday, which I have opened on Friday. Okay, so let's get started with the actual workspace by clicking the start drawing. Okay, this is the actual workspace of the AutoCAD in which we are going to do our drawing. I will just simply introduce you how these tabs are called and how we can use it. Okay, here first of all we will see this is the application menu. In this, here are the tabs like new. By clicking on new, we can start new drawing. On open, we can open a file, we can save is at another formats, can import from another format. Also from export, we can export the drawing to another, we can publish it on online. Also we can take out hard copy by clicking on print. These are the drawing utilities. Okay, yes, and in middle you will see these tabs are shown, and these are called as the drawing panels. Okay, panels mean which here is the draw panel. Using these we can draw our drawings. Using the modify, we can modify our drawing. Okay, using annotation we can give dimension on text to our document. Okay, by using properties we can change the line types and the color to our lines. Okay, we will see each one of them in detail in our upcoming video. I will just giving the introduction of it. Okay, here on the right side you can see this is the view cube. By using this view cube, you can change your top view to left side view to back side, back to again top, means on the which view you want to do your drawing. Okay, this is the navigation panel. By using we can navigate our drawing. Okay, means on which angle we want to see our drawing. Okay, on below you will see here is the command prompt shown. By clicking on command prompt, you will simply add your command. By clicking on the command prompt, you can simply get access of your command by you are going to do use. We will see it after these videos. Okay, in upcoming. After going in middle to the upward side. Here is the drawing one, means our file is saved with drawing one name, and .dwg shows the drawing format file. Okay, now these are the toolbars on which we are going to do our drawing. We will see how to use this. Okay, now if you have drawn any object here, okay, like these or like anything, you have to save document. How to save? You can simply click the save button from here. Okay, also you can enter the Ctrl+S key on your keyboard. Okay, by like your document will be saved. Okay,